All right, this is a quick video on how to review the footage that's on your Sentry mode on your Tesla or your dash cam. You got two systems running here. You got Sentry mode here, and then you have your dash cam, which is constantly recording 24 hours a day for 1 hour. All right, you have access to the past 1 hour of dash cam footage on your Tesla if you need to access that. All right, so but you only have an hour. I wish you had longer, but you don't. All right, so if you come back to your car and you find that somebody keyed your car or something like that, or hit it, you should be able to access the past 1 hour. As long as it happened within 1 hour, you should be able to find that footage. All right, just in case your Sentry mode didn't pick it up and it didn't automatically record it. So for example, I'm in my menu here. I hit the car icon. I'm under controls, right? Recording. See, it what it does, it records 1 minute clips onto your flash drive. All right. Right there's the saving. So now it saved that 1 minute clip onto your flash drive. All right. So, but it also erased a 1 minute clip from an hour and 1 minute ago. So make sure if you go to your car and you want to look at your footage to see if anybody hit your car or keyed your car, you got to go here and go to your dash cam. So right here, hit your three buttons. Look for dash cam. There's your dash cam right here, right? So click on dash cam. So for example, here is your dash cam, right? You have Sentry mode and dash cam on this screen. You got to hit these three, the menu here, the three lines. Once you hit that, you have access to your dash cam and your Sentry mode, right? So you have three menus here, or three options. You have all, Sentry, and dash cam, right? So we're gonna be at all right now. All right, so this is your dash cam where it says recents. That's your dash cam. And here you have Sentry. All right, this is your Sentry mode. So today is March 4th, and I only have one saved Sentry video clip that the computer or that the car decided to save. All right, the rest of the footage is from March 3rd, and so on. All right, so if I go here and I click on this and I look at this happened at 12:02 a.m. So there's nothing that happened here. It was just my the car is just parked on the street here. All right, so let's say somebody keyed my car and I'm looking for that footage. All right, and hopefully it happened within the past hour. All right, so what I can do is hit, so if it's not on your Sentry, hit those three lines again. I only have one saved Sentry footage, so that means I need to try and access my dash cam, and hopefully it happened within the past hour. So now I can click on this video clip under recents. All right, and so now you can see here that it has 55 minutes of footage. Actually, the total amount of footage that it has here is 57 minutes. All right, so what I can do is I can rewind, take this, bring it to the beginning, and so now this is where my car was parked. All right, on this street, and this truck was in front of me. So I can access all the cameras here. I got my front face camera, I got my left side camera, and I got my right side camera. All right, so now you should be able to oh, and also my rear camera right here. So you should be able to access all of these cameras within the past 1 hour. So you got 57 minutes of footage that you can review here. So I think, let me see, I can look at here And I think around 31 minutes ago was when I can say, oh, I think the guy that came over to, I think there was a guy that keyed my car around 31 minutes ago. So right here, I clicked on my left camera. Here's the guy. That's me. I can say, oh shoot, here he is. He came over to my car and he just keyed my car. So now what you can do is you have two options. You can record your screen here, and that way you got that footage with your phone. There's no way that you could just hit save anywhere here. This is on your dash cam, the past 1 hour. All right? And so this is going to get erased if you don't save this clip. And the only way to save it is to either remove that flash drive that's in your glove box, or use your telephone to record what you're watching on your screen right now. So make sure that you record it before, or make sure you either remove that flash drive or record it on your phone. Because if you don't, and you keep driving for the next hour, you're just gonna rewrite over this footage, and you're gonna lose it forever. All right? So that's what you want to do. Take a recording with your phone, and you're good. So let's just say you came back to your car, and you noticed that you had a key mark on your car, or somebody ran into your car and it didn't show up on your sentry mode, and it didn't record anything or save anything. And let's say you just don't have time to review this footage because you're in a hurry to go somewhere. Well, what you need to do is eject that flash drive from your glove box. All right? You need to remove it so that you can save whatever is on there, if it happened within the past hour, or else it's just going to write over it again. So in order to safely remove it, what you're going to have to do is go over here again. Go over to the car icon, make sure you're in controls, and then you got two buttons here. One says recording, that's your dash cam. One says sentry. All right? You're going to have to turn off both systems in order to remove that flash drive, and that way you can take that flash drive and look at the footage when you get home. All right? So in order to safely remove it, you're going to have to turn off sentry. So click it once. Right? Now the sentry mode is off, and you're going to have to turn off dash cam. Press and hold. You're going to see a flash. That recording turns into paused. Now it has stopped writing onto that flash drive, and it should be safe to remove that flash drive. All right? So what I would do is turn off both systems. All right? Go to your menu here and open your glove box. Right? So now you can just remove this flash drive safely. All right? And then leave it in your glove box. And then once you get home and you have time to review it, you can take it home, and then take that flash drive, pop it into your desktop computer, and so now you can review that last hour of footage, and hopefully you can find what happened. All right, so we're back at my desktop computer here, and I have my flash drive that's from the Tesla. And what I want to do now is access the footage that's on this flash drive. So let's go ahead and plug it in here. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. There you go. So once you plug it in, it'll automatically pop up on your screen here, Tesla Drive, under Tesla Cam. When you click on this, you're gonna have three folders here. One is recent clips, one is saved clips, one is sentry clips. Again, we looked at sentry clips earlier. I only had one video that was saved under for March 4th, and that was for around 11:54 a.m. right here. So it only recorded that one video clip, that's not what happened. It didn't happen at that time. So I think it happened around 4:03 a.m., which is the video footage that I want to save. So again, this is very important because this happened to me 3 times already, where I didn't save the video footage of what happened to my car. I've been hit about 3 times already. The first time was a door ding. Somebody hit my car on the door. The second one was somebody hit my rear left fender and ripped off a bunch of my paint, and I had to buff it all out and touch up the paint. And then now the third one is on my right rear quarter panel bumper, and it happened again this past week. So I just didn't understand how the sentry mode and the dash cam worked. So I wasn't able to save any of that footage. It didn't. My sentry mode wasn't sensitive enough to pick it up and automatically save those clips. So I lost it forever because I didn't try to access my dash cam and see if I could see it on there and save it, record it on my phone, or record it or save the clip on my desktop computer. So here you go. This video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So anyways, here is the Tesla Drive, Tesla Cam directory here. And so what you want to access is actually recent clips. Since it didn't save it onto Sentry clips, you're going to have 1 hour of footage on recent clips. So this is what I was telling you about, where it keeps on writing every minute for the past 1 hour. So this is my earliest footage, which is at 3:54 a.m. in the morning. And if you scroll down, it saves 1 minute clips: 3:54, 3:55, 3:56, 3:57. And it'll save 4 views. You got your front camera, you got your left camera, your right camera, and your back bumper camera. Again, front, left, right, and back. It'll keep saving 1 minute clips here. Starting at 3:54 a.m. is my earliest clip. And if you scroll all the way down, my last clip is at 5:48. So it's about an hour. So hopefully, if your car got hit and run, and you're trying to access any kind of footage that happened, and hopefully it happened within the past hour, you should be able to find it here. So let's look at the footage at, let's see, 5:03? I think it's at 5:03 is when it happened here. Actually, I think it happened at 4:03. So let's say I got keyed around 4:03 in the morning. It's within the past hour. It happened on my left side, so I'm going to look at my left repeater camera. I'm going to click on that, and here you go. This is the footage from 4:03 in the morning. I see a car there, and that's me. And let's just scroll forward a little bit. There you go. So this happened around 4:03 in the morning. That's me. Let's just pretend that's the guy that keyed the car or hit the car. Here he is. All right. So now you have all this footage right here that you have access to. I wish I knew this, because I didn't know this at the time when I got hit those 3 times. So, but anyways, that's the footage that you can save. You can save that file. That happened at 4:03 under left repeater. you can just copy this right there, and then you can just save that onto your desktop. Right click, paste, and there's your clip. So now you can save it just like that, or use your camera phone that you're holding, and you can just take a recording of that clip, either from your vehicle, or you have it here on your flash drive. So hopefully this helps for any of you that is trying to find who hit your car, and you should be able to access this dash cam footage and save it and figure out who hit your car. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. If I helped you out, I'd really appreciate it. All right, have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.